I want to preface this video with the fact that I realized after I recorded this that this was a accessible cabin. Now, that ended up working out well for us because Mom needs 2 knee replacements, so the accessible cabin ended up working out. But I did not intentionally book this, nor did I realize when I booked it that it was an accessible cabin. I don't remember seeing anything about it being an accessible cabin. But welcome to the room tour of room 1008 on the Carnival.
Only even, yeah. The other side is odd, so we just go around. You can go around like this.
Alright, so as you can see, Mom's already in here chilling out. And we got the little storage space here. I don't know how much use this is going to be with the mini fridge in there with the bed, but you know, we won't mess with that anyway. We got 2 lamps with some USB outlets on it, which is fantastic too, for 2 on each lamp, which is nice for the both of us. Also looks like we've got at least 1 light switch that's accessible from what I guess Mom has claimed is her bed. And another one over there with which it looks like another USB slot, but it is not super duper close to this side of this bed. Thanks for that, troublemaker. So we have a little vanity here. We've got our distilled water, which was in the cabin when we arrived, which is great. An extension cord, which we didn't ask for, but it's nice to have. Our mirror, little TV there. It is a rather small TV, but if you're watching TV on a cruise, you're probably not doing it right. We have our little closet there with our safe, a couple towels, life jackets, where we could hang stuff, another little storage shelf up there, and another one down below. Now, this is the part of this cabin that's really kind of amazing. Look at the size of this thing as a cruise ship bathroom. I mean, we've got a nice walk-in shower there. Toilet, vanity with the mirror. I mean, like, I can dance in here, right? Like this is huge. I don't know how this happened in a cruise ship bathroom, but I'm not complaining about it. I'll take it.